Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to record screen on Android. Now if you cannot find any built-in screen recorder option in your phone, then you have to download a third-party app. There is no built-in screen recorder option in my phone. So at first open up your Google Play Store and then search for screen recorder. Then tap on it, then tap on install and give it a moment. And the download is complete. Then just open the app, then close the ad. If you want to enable floating icon, then just tap here, then give permission from here, then just go back, then allow photos and video access, then tap on allow again to get notifications, and it's done. Now your screen recorder app is ready for use. Now just tap on record to start recording your screen, then give microphone access, then tap on start now, and you can see that will start recording your screen. Here you can see a floating icon. Now if you want to end your recording, then just tap on this floating icon, then tap on this stop icon, and that's it. Now if you want to find your recorded video, just open your gallery app, then tap on pictures, and here it is. From here you can find your recorded video. Also if you cannot find it here, then just open your screen recorder app, and here it is. And that is how you can record screen on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.